everyone, welcome back to Technical Pathfinder, the Learning Center. This is the banking series and I'm back with some more problems of reasonings. So let's start. So first problem is statement and conclusion, in which we have to assume the given statement is true and based on which we have to find that which conclusion is true and which is wrong. And according to that we have to tick the option. The statement is given A greater than B, B less than equal to C and C less than D. So we will write it, and then C is greater than F. So C is greater than B and F, and A is uncertain that how much greater than B, and also C is less than D and less than E and less than R. So these are the bigger ones. Now the conclusion is given R is greater than D. R is greater than D. So we know that D and R are greater than C, but D or R which is greater is not known. The third one is F is less than A. We know that B is less than A, but F, there is no relation between F and A is given. So option is D is correct, that conclusion 1 or 2 doesn't follow. In the next statement, V less than equal to W less than X equal to Y greater than equal to T equal to Z. So these are the greater terms and no relation between these terms is given. So conclusion is Z greater than X. Z and X are related. We know that Z is less than X. So conclusion 1 doesn't follow. In the second conclusion, V is less than Y. So V is less than Y because these are the greater terms. Conclusion 2 is correct. So option B is correct, only conclusion 2 follows. In next statement, A greater than B less than equal to C and less than D, and F is less than C, C is less than equal to E and E is less than R. So arrange in greater order from small to greater. So first we take B, B is less than A and B is less than equal to C and D, and C come here, and C is greater than F, but it is less than E and R. Then conclusion is given E is greater than equal to B. As we know, E is greater than equal to C and C is greater than equal to B from this statement. So we can conclude that conclusion 1 is correct. In second conclusion, A is greater than D. We know that A is greater than B and D is also greater than B, but we don't know the relation between A and D. So conclusion 2 is not correct. Option A is correct here. In next statement, J less than equal to R less than K and K is equal to M. And in the next one, T is greater than equal to R and R is equal to Y. So from R it is related that conclusion 1, J is less than equal to T. So T is greater than R and J is less than R. So it is related that J is less than equal to T. Conclusion 1 is correct. Next one, M is greater than Y. M is greater than Y. So M equal to K and K is greater than R and R equal to Y. So M is greater than Y. Conclusion 2 is also correct. So option B is correct if both conclusion follows. This is the letter coding question. The 4 of the following 5 are alike. We have to find the odd one. SXTY, CHFK, OT, RW, EJHM and LQ, OT. So we can analyze from here that in option A, the alternate one is the next letter of previous one. So after S, T comes, and after X, Y comes. And in the next option, the alternate letter is third number from the previous letter. So after C, D and E are skipped, then F is written. Similarly, after H, I and J are skipped and K is written. And this order is same in option B, C, D and E. Like in OTRW, after O the third letter is R, and after T the third letter is W. This sequence is same in other four options. Only one option, option A, is different from the others, so option A is correct. Our next problems based on arrangement, and we have to make the arrangement by the instructions given in the problem. It is given that 6 boxes A, B, C, D, E and F are placed one above the other in a stack. Each box is of different color. So there are 6 boxes of 6 different colors. Then in the first statement he is saying only 2 boxes are there between A and B. So there are two possible cases, that A may be at the upside of B or B at upside of A. So there are two possible cases, and in the table given below, the first column representing the box and second column represent the color. According to the first statement, A and B have the gap of 2 blocks. So first case A is upward of B, and in second case B is upward of A. In the next statement, black box is kept immediately above B. So black box is kept above B. In case 1 we can place black here, and in case 2 black box above B, so black will be placed here. Because there are 6 columns, we can place 2 columns above and downward according to the statement given. In next statement, only 2 boxes kept between black box and C. So we know the position of black box, so C position can be found by this statement. He is saying that the C is third one of black box. It may be upward or downward, depend upon the condition. The condition is given C is not kept at the bottom. So we will see what's happening. In case 1, 2 blocks can be formed downward, and the third one of black is C can be placed like this, but it is given that C cannot be at the bottom side. So C cannot be placed bottom side, so 2 blocks will be formed at above, and the third one from here is C. Similarly, third one from black box is C in case 2 also filled. In next one, he is saying only one box kept between C and yellow colored box. So we know the position of C now, then yellow color box can be filled second to the C at upward or downward side. The condition is also given that box B is not yellow in color. So in case 1, only one block can added upward or downward side, so second one of C cannot be filled upward from C block, so we will fill yellow in downward side of C. And in case 2, second one to the upward side, if we fill yellow here, but the condition is given that B blocks cannot be yellow, So we have to fill the yellow at downward side of C, second one block from the C. So yellow will come here. Next statement is saying only two boxes are there between yellow colored box and green colored box. So we know the position of yellow color box in two cases, and he is saying that the two boxes between yellow color and green color. So third one is green color from yellow color box. So in case 1, third one is green color from yellow color box. It may be upward side at or downward side from yellow color, because yellow color is at center. But in case 2, surely the green color is at upward side and it can be filled here. Case 1 is solved by the next statement that green color box is kept above yellow color box. So green color box cannot be kept below yellow color. So green color box can only placed at upward side and not at downward side. Next one is only one box kept between green color box and red color box. So we know the position of green color box, from there red color box is second to the green box. So this is the red color box, and in case 2 this is red color box. See next one, D is kept immediately below red color box. So D is immediate below red color box in case 2. Then only 3 boxes are there between D and orange color box. In case 1, above D there are only 3 boxes, so orange cannot be filled above green, so case 1 is not valid. And in case 2, above 3 boxes from D there is a orange box, so it is a valid. Case 2 is valid for this statement. In next statement, E is kept above orange colored box. So above orange colored box is black box, so is kept in front of black. And the last statement is blue colored box is kept below E. So below E there is only one block left, so blue color box is kept below E. And the which box is left? F block is left here. So this is the complete arrangement of the given statements. Now from the arrangement we can solve the problems. The first one is 4 of the following 5 are alike in the certain way, find the odd one out. Green A, so red E, green, red, black, F, blue D, orange C. So from the arrangement we can see that every block, this is block and this is color, so every block is second one down to the given color. Like in green color, from green color to second down is A, but the red color to second down is not possible, so red color to fourth up is E, so it is the odd one in this case. In the next question, which of the following statement is true? So in statement A, no box is kept below D. So there is no box below D. In option B, no box is kept between black box and B. No box is kept between black box and B. So this is the black box and this is block B. There is no box between black box and B. F is kept above C. F is above C. It is also correct. Only two boxes between orange color box and A. A and orange colored box, there are only two boxes. So all the above statements are correct. How many boxes are there below blue color box? So this is blue color box. There are two boxes. As many boxes are kept between yellow color box and the orange color box as between A and so yellow and orange there are three boxes. So between A and E there are three boxes present. So option is E, but E is not given. E is given black box. E is black in color. Which box is kept immediately above red color box? So above red color box, the blue color box or C box is placed. So option B is correct. That's all for today, and keep watching, and anyone have doubt then ask in comment section. Thanks.